Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a video capture device. Now this is by Yazanyo, I believe. This is a 4K recorder. It says 1080p, but it's a 4K recorder. This is like almost half the cost of an Elgato. So if you're on a budget and you need a video capture device, this one, I highly recommend it. I already unboxed it and tried it out, but we're going to go ahead and unbox it on the channel for the first time. On the left side, it just shows you how to set it up. You can use it with various devices, monitors, TVs, and desktops, even mobile devices. You can connect to headphones or earbuds, and that's pretty much it. Let's get straight into it. So this one right here retails for about $80. It's kind of still pricey, but for a video capture device, it's pretty good. So it says right here, HDMI USB 3.0 capture. Has really clear instructions. So if you need to be able to set this up on certain devices, shows you how to set it up on OBS and how to connect it to various devices as well and configure it in general. Highly recommend using that. And right here is the actual device. So it says 4K 60 Hertz. Right here you have power. It's optional for the power since the USB 3.0 is enough to be able to power the device, but you have extra power in case you're going to use more. So you have HDMI out, in. On this side you have the 3.0 port. You have line in, mic in, audio out. So this is for mobile devices, microphones, headphones. So the device itself is pretty high quality. There's like no actual branding on here, which is cool. You do have screws to be able to like open it up if you need to. But the quality of this, it's made of aluminum and it feels really good. It's also a great heat dissipator. Going back into the box, underneath that you have everything you need to be able to set up. In here you have a USB 3.0 to USB 3.0 port. I don't know the cable length, it's probably around 2-3 feet. Oh, never mind, it's really short. It's roughly around 1.5 feet. It's very short. And then right here we have the additional optional power. So this is for the DC port. Right here we have the 3.5 jack. So if you're going to use something on your laptop or a specific audio device, you can use this. And then right here you have an HDMI cable. It's cool that it comes with one because if you need that, very handy to have it. So that's basically everything it comes with. All right, so the first step, what you're going to want to do, what I do, I just turn on my console. And it's not going to turn on right now because I have it hooked up to my Elgato. So now we're going to go ahead and go underneath my desk. Okay, first off, I know my cable management is extremely bad right now. Just ignore that. I don't really care because I mounted underneath my desk anyways, so it has enough airflow and it's out of the way. But what I do is, so I unplug the HDMI. As you can see, this one was previously as the in port, so we're going to put this as the HDMI in, and then this part right here is for the console. So this port, HDMI in, goes directly into the Xbox, and then the HDMI out goes into your monitor. And then from there, your USB 3.0 port right here for the actual screen recording. We've got our laptop here. We're gonna open up OBS, but you can do this on Streamlabs. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and plug in the USB 3.0 port on the game capture device, and then the other end of the USB 3.0 port into my laptop, which is right here. And it has to be a 3.0 port. It can't be a 2.0 because it needs enough power and data transfer. So the power went on for the Xbox now. Before it was just a black screen. That's a good sign to know. Next, we're going to go and show you how to set up the game capture device on your OBS software. So go ahead and press add and then go down to video capture device. I'll probably zoom in for this right there. Video capture device, you're going to go ahead and click that. We're just going to rename it 4K because we already have the previous device right there that we already set it to. So we're going to go ahead and press OK. And then right here, it's already set to the camera automatically, which sucks. So we don't want to do that. We're going to go ahead and press this right here and then go over to USB 3.0 HD video capture. Once you do that, it'll now show up as your screen, what you see on there. And you can instantly view this as a viewfinder if you want to, or actually play your games on this, which is cool. It's not that laggy. And then right here, you can either do, so you can do custom resolution right here, but right now it only says 1080p, probably because of the settings in OBS for me that I put. And then it says video format, it says any, but you can do whatever type of format you want to do. And then you can do the specific audio output. So if you have an external microphone, such as a Blue Yeti, you can plug your Blue Yeti into your laptop or USB port, even a USB hub, and then you can use that. It'll pop up right here. You can use that as your audio source. So I have two of them, so that's why one of them turned off, but let's go ahead and remove this one. Let's redo that. So now it's set because I deleted the other one. But that's really simple on how to set it up. Now the screen capture device works perfectly. Let me get my Xbox controller real quick. And I could technically just use my Xbox controller off of this. Alright, so we got it in frame now. It's pretty snappy, to be honest. It's a little delayed now, but it's actually pretty quick, surprisingly. As you can see, you can technically game on your laptop. The FPS is really good. It's 60 FPS, but it's really smooth in 1080p and 4K. I've tested it in both, and now I will just go ahead and do some gameplay on this Nintendo Switch, and I'll try PS4, but I don't know where mine is, so I'll attempt to do that. But it does work on a various amount of consoles, which is amazing. So I'll go ahead and do those, and I will be right back. All right, so we have it on the Nintendo Switch right now. It's going really smooth first to say. It does work with Blue Yeti, except my Blue Yeti is propped up way over there, and my laptop's over here, so I can't do that. But I promise you, it does the same exact way on Xbox, PS4, everything like that. You can use microphone. I have the USB port plugged into the device here, and it does get kind of warm to the touch, but it's fine. Just be careful, make sure it's in a well ventilated area. Right here is a bad example, but if you get lost on how to do it, it shows you right here. So it says the in port goes into the TV and the outputs go into the monitors and all this stuff like that. So that's what I did for this part. Put the out port into the monitor, input to the device.
I put one down.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I'm now fly.
Bro.